Welcome friends, once again on MOKSH Academy YouTube channel. Many of you, when you have to plan your residencies, are not sure कि I want to apply for internal medicine, I want to apply for surgery, I want to apply for radiology. How do I prove that I really like that specialty? How do I prove that passion towards that specialty? In India, when you apply via NEET PG or the next exam, obviously your ranking determines the specialty. But in United States, you need to pre-decide what specialty is what you like or have a passion about, and accordingly you can apply. So obviously there is a question in your mind: how do I give or show it in my CV? This is what I want to pursue in. Why do I say I like internal medicine? So how does one prove the preference of a particular specialty? So with small mini tasks, we will be answering that question. And I hope this video will help you build a great CV. All right. This is me, Chirag. I have been mentoring, students, senior physicians, and interns for last more than a decade. And I'll be happy to help you. I'm sure you might have watched me in my webinars or in-person medical college seminar. So task number 1, pursue your US clinical rotation in that specialty. So let's say if you want to, pursue a residency in internal medicine, your job would be to find an American hospital or a university where you can rotate for at least minimum 8 to 12 weeks. That is 2 to 3 months. All right. Now, many a times when you apply for medicine rotations, you might get sub-internships like cardiology, GI, perfectly fine. As long as it is medicine and specialties, you might want to do that. And that's how you can prove that, yes, you worked in medicine department of a particular hospital in America. You see the system out there, you met the people out there, and that motivated you to consider internal medicine residency as a final choice of specialty. Task number 2, get letter of recommendation from physicians of that specialty. Again, very, very important. It has been observed that the physicians in America, when they select students during their residency interviews, want to know from one of their peers, talking about how good you are, what are your clinical skills, what is your nature, and how do you behave or perform during your normal work duties. All right. So they would want to hear from somebody from their community, their fraternity. So absolutely, an LOR, if you get it from a internist or let's say medicine specialist, will have more value compared to a surgeon when you are applying for a medicine or subspecialty residency. I hope it is making sense. So second important thing is to get the right LOR, letter of recommendation. Third, become a member of American College of that specialty. Now, in United States, there are a lot of these societies, clubs, or in a very professional manner, we call it as American colleges, which also at times give board certifications. All right. So those societies or colleges very regularly offer the student membership, and under that student membership, you get opportunity to attend their webinars, in-person seminars, CMEs, conferences. So task 3, become a member of American College of that specialty. So in America, there are a lot of these, American colleges of, let's say, physician, pediatrics, neurology, and these are kind of an association or societies which help, further the cause of that specialty. They have their own student membership, where if you are part of that membership, you get opportunities to attend their CMEs, conferences, virtual event, network with senior physicians, get mentorship from them. So always become a member of these societies. For example, American College of Cardiology, American Academy of Pediatrics, American College of Physicians, American College of Surgeons, American College of Neurology, American Psychiatric Associations. Now, the student membership can be paid, can be free. For example, ACP is a free of cost thing for internal medicine. However, American College of Surgery charge about $25 per year as a student member. All right. But these investments are worth your time and money, because it helps you to network with the right people and eventually help you build the right network, connect with right people, then later on over LinkedIn or email them, your CVs for future observership, research opportunities, and that's how you're going to show your further interest in a particular specialty. Task 4, within your college, city, state, country, participate in any CMEs, seminars, conferences which are happening in your specialty or subspecialty. If some event is happening on surgery, basic surgery workshop, suturing workshop, or some CVTS surgeon is doing a talk show, participate in such CMEs, conferences. If you are doing some research, get opportunity to present your paper, abstract, get involved. That's how, again, you will talk, you'll show your interest, and then that fraternity, that community, let's say you network with those doctors even in your own country, and help to talk, help to publish a paper along with them, or also, let's say, at times do a shadow observership under them. These things also help prove that you are interested in a particular specialty. All right. So finally, write your experiences of internship, clinical rotation in India. Let's say if you have been part of, or you have seen any interesting patient cases, mention that in your personal statement, that yes, while I was an intern or I was a resident, while in India, I did TC and so case, and the way we as a team managed it, I was thoroughly impressed, or my seniors managed it, I observed, I was thoroughly impressed, or the beauty of saving that patient and being in that ward, living in that ward, experiencing in that ward, feel me, highly interested or inclined towards the specialty. So include those points in your personal statement. That is the 5th way where you can prove your interest towards the specialty. And finally, last but not the least, your scores in that specialty. Obviously, when you apply for residency, you have to submit your MSPE, Medical Student Performance Evaluation. So let's say you're applying for pediatrics or medicine or surgery, and if you've got great scores, highlight that, talk about that in your CV, talk about that in your personal statement, that yes, because you are interested academically, also you did well in that subject. All right. So that's how you prove your interest towards a particular specialty. Now, before I end this session, a bonus tip for you, those who are interested to give a mock test on step 1. MOKSH conduct every week, every month, we conduct this mock test, global mock test. So here is the link, here is the number where you can call up and get the link to this mock test and appear that mock test. Remember, it's never late to focus on your dreams. Okay, by this, I wish you all the very best, and I sincerely hope that you get your desired specialty and flourish in your career, whether it is India or abroad. Thank you very much. This is me, Chirag, signing off. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do like, share, and subscribe this video if you've enjoyed, and if you've learned something out of this video. Thank you very much.